Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. Alright, let's get started. So the first step is to open up your Facebook account. So let's head on to facebook.com website. Alright, so once you have opened up your account, what you have to do is switch to your Facebook page. So now let's switch to our Facebook page by going to our profile on the top right hand side corner. Click over here and let's switch to our page. So once you have switched to the page, on the left hand side you can see the option for Meta Business Suite. Click over here. Alright, so once you are in this dashboard, on the left hand side you can see the option for all tools. Click on this option. So once you're here, you can see the option for settings. Click on the settings button. So once you have opened up your profile over here, you'll be able to switch to your business profile. So let's go ahead and open up our business profile over here. After that, you'll have to do the same thing that you have did earlier. Go to all tools and go to settings, and once you're there you can see the option for business settings. So here you can see the option for business settings. Click on this business settings option. And here you can see we have option for remove page, and then what you have to do is just click on remove page, and you'll be able to remove the page from Meta Business Suite. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.